Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 4. By the end of this module, you will be able to create a grant proposal to fund messaging for an issue specific to a population, which is evidence-based, and you will demonstrate achievement of the course-specific population health outcomes through the grant proposal assignment. So Module 4 is focused to a large extent on assignment number 3. You will find detailed instructions relative to that assignment under the Assignment tab. If you look at the resources across Module 4, most of those are focused on giving you more information about health communication channels and strategies, what strategies have been shown to be effective across the literature, how those public health messages may be adapted for social media, and other creative ways that serious health messages have been communicated in order to improve outcomes across different populations. So our focus across Module 4 again will be health messaging and what has worked, what has been shown in the literature to be successful to improve outcomes. We will not have a discussion of week 1 in Module 4. Week 2 in Module 4, our focus will be, you will give an overview of your assignment, of your grant proposal assignment, what was your health message, what population health issue did you focus on, and how did you spend that $40,000 that was awarded to you through a grant in order to improve outcomes across that population and that particular health issue. Remember the population, you can decide the health issue, you can decide perhaps you want to focus on reduction of STDs, perhaps you want to focus on increased mammograms. You decide what would be important within your community to focus on and how you can spread that message. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out. But again, please review the video relative to assignment 3 under the assignment tab. Thank you so much.